So yesterday I took another reversal POI, which ended up being a loss right here. So, I then, because I'm in -3% drawdown, if I get below 3%, I move to 0.25%. So that was there. We had another reversal POI just here. Price come in. We got a nice entry, and then just failed. So problem with some reversal POIs is when you've got multiple POIs, you just don't know where it's gonna go from. I just take them all, just because you never know. You get ones that, like, for example, down here there was one reversal POI, and then it ended up pushing up to there. Here there was multiple, and then it reversed from this one, and then it's worth taking them all, because one of them you're aiming for the overall high, so you can get a +10, +15% trade. So price is actually in the next POI, which is holding. I don't trade till 8 o'clock, so what might happen is price might sweep Asia lows, and then we'll get another entry. The actual entry at the moment is just here, and it hasn't triggered it yet, so I'll have to wait and see what happens at 8 a.m. If this POI fails, then I'll be looking for sells into the next reversal POI, which is all the way down here. And if that's what happens, then our POIs for that would be one POI here. That's only if this POI fails. So if price pushes for it, wicks for it, or closes beneath it, either one doesn't matter. So we've got that POI for sells and this POI here. So we've got two POIs here. Only if this fails. I'm going to get rid of these ones now. Just if it fails, then I'll add them back on. But that's just for whoever's watching, what to do next if this POI fails. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's Friday, so I have took 3 losses in a row now trying to get this reversal, but I don't want to not take a trade here if I get a valid entry, just because I've taken 3 losses. I've got to take the trades that I get confirmation on. So is what it is on them 3 losses. They're valid losses, so I'm not too fussed about them. They're part of the plan. So main thing you got to do is when you have multiple losses is manage your risk accordingly, and that's what I've been doing. So overall 1.25% loss across 3 losses, so it's not too bad. So yeah, that is it for this morning's pre-session analysis on Germany 40.